Doctors prescribe the medicine that heals the body, but Mother Teresa taught us the compassion that heals the soul. Today they come together. Mother Teresa once said, "The greatest disease today is not leprosy or tuberculosis, but the feeling of being unwanted and uncared for." She proved that medicine without love is incomplete. On this National Doctors' Day, we honor the medical professionals who don't just prescribe medicine, they give hope. They don't just cure diseases, they serve humanity with the same spirit of selfless love. Remember, for your general knowledge, India celebrates Doctors' Day on July 1st to honor the legendary physician Dr. B.C. Roy. It's a reminder that serving the sick is the highest form of worship. To all the doctors saving lives and serving with a kind heart, thank you. Share this to appreciate a doctor today and subscribe for more inspiring stories.